Hello there YouTube, Tyler here and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, this is my YouTube studio. It is called My Kitchen, and because all great ideas come from the kitchen. If you can't tell, I am visually impaired, so I may kind of look at the camera, but I may not. And these videos are not the finest of quality, so if you want to see someone trying their best and making a good effort of it, and maybe learn something along the way, then this is your channel. Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how I turned an inaccessible flat-paneled microwave into a semi-accessible product of greatness. And the 3 products I used to do that. So, let's go over to the microwave. And I don't edit anything, so... Alright. So, opening the door of the microwave is pretty simple. Whoops. Opening the door, accessible. Pretty simple, accessible, okay. But here on the side, which I'm not going to touch much of it, but here on the side, we do have accessible markings. We do have, I can't remember what this one is, but see the little bump? Fingers on a little bump? See that? Oh wait, camera's right there. So so I think it's showing it. Okay, so there's a bump for something. I know that that is the letter X. Oh, careful. That means like cancel. I think this is the popcorn, and this is my. Where is it? There it is. This is my favorite button. It's the 30-second button. 30-second button is basically how I cook anything. So if I'm going to like. Okay, yeah, there we go. So if I'm going to cook like something for a minute, I'm going to cook it, hit this button twice, and cook it for a minute. Ugh, it's gotta be cleaned. Gross. But yeah, that's pretty much how I make a microwave accessible. So what we use is we use Braille, sticky tape, but for Braille. You'd stick it into the old Perkins Brailer, which I may make a video of later, or I'll link down to Molly Burke's video. Actually, I'll link down to Molly Burke's video and her, because she shows you how to use a Brailer from a sighted perspective. Why break perfection? So, we have that. Then we also have what we call dots, simple little Braille dots. And these Braille dots are... multiple sizes. You can buy them on MaxiAids. Link is below. Note, I am not getting any royalties from any of these, so all of that's linked below to check out the company. The Braille dots are cool. I like
Daniela Perkins, living on a budget with Nicolette Gray FT. Happy wallet.
All right, Daniela Perkins, living on a budget. Okay, I'll get to that in a minute. So there is that. And that's how I do it. I mark everything. Later, I will show you how I mark my washing machine and dryer. Should this video become interested, or should people become interested in this video? If you have questions on how I do something as a blind user, a blind content creator, or just blindness in general, post them in the comments section below, and we will discuss. I'll be more than happy to teach. I'll be more than happy to make videos. But yes, this was just a fun little video. And now I'm going to go use this microwave and make my dinner. Well, everyone have a wonderful evening and have a wonderful, wonderful next marvelous day.